How to pay with Gcash on TikTok Shop. Hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, we will be showing you the process of how you will be able to set up Gcash with your TikTok Shop so that you will be able to buy different types of product using your Gcash instead of having COD or cash on delivery. So first things first, open your shop by clicking on shop over here on the bottom section. And you will be able to see your shop over here and all the different products that are currently being sold. After that, simply click on the top right. You will be able to notice on the top that you have the search bar, the cart, and then a hamburger icon. So simply click on the hamburger icon and you will see this pop up on the bottom. You will be able to notice under orders you have payments. So the payments in this section is usually where you will be able to add a payment method, as you can see here, and you will be able to add here your payment method. So right now it's at debit or credit. So what you could do is that you could get a credit card or a debit card from Gcash, which is something you have to order through Gcash app itself, and you will be able to add the information over here. And after that, you will be able to utilize that as your payment method on TikTok Shop. So that's basically it guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.